Very quickly, in this video, I want to show you how you can link Docker containers together. All right. Linking is actually a legacy feature of Docker, which is used to connect multiple containers. So with linking, containers can actually communicate with each other. All right. And one of the most important aspects of this is the name of the container. So once you link the containers, they can reach out to themselves using just their name. So I'm going to be creating just two containers, and then we'll link them together. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So we have to type in docker run -dit, and then let's give the first Docker a name. The first container a name. Let's give it web server -1, and then the image name. All right, so very quickly that has created the first container. All right, so let's do the docker ps, and you can see the first Docker container is running. Then let's create the second container and then link into the first one. You type docker run -dti, and let's name this container web server 2. All right, and then one of the important part of this linking is the link, and then you're linking it to web server 1. All right, and then the name of the image. All right, so you can see docker run -dit the name of the second container, and then -link, you're linking into the first container, and then of course with the image name, which is Ubuntu. So once that is done, let's type in docker ps. You can see we have two containers running right now. All right, so we're going to go into the second container, and then we try to ping the first container from the second container and see how that works. All right, so I'm going to go into the second container. So I'm going to type docker exec -it, and then the name of the container ID, and then bash. So once we're in, and of course, if you try to ping the web server, try to ping the web server 1, yeah, it says ping not found. So let's quickly get that installed. So you type, before then, let's update our server. So apt-get updates. Sorry. So you type apt-get updates. So that's it's updating, and when that is done, then we can install the ping package. So let's just go backward once, and then install ping. That will give us a little error, and then this is the name. So you just copy that and then come back here and then put it, and then you can see the ping is installed. So let's try to ping web server 1 from server 2. So ping web server -1. Now you can see that both servers are communicating together. So right now you can see that this is how you can actually link two Docker containers together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and God bless you.